Hello students, in this video I am going to cover group technology concept. Before starting this concept, if you are not still subscribed my channel means please subscribe it. I will start this topic with an example. There is an ex-car manufacturing company. They are thinking to produce one new model car. For their production, they need any car parts, machines, equipments, planning and controlling, etc. Every company think to reduce their cost so that they will focus on large cost savings. For that, they substitute existing parts to produce new one. But saving a cost with existing parts is a critical factor. The identification of parts that can be used with or without modification to meet the product design needs. So for this purpose, the manufacturing industries need a technique called group technology. For understanding in better way, I will tell one example. If you went for a library, you find all stuff without any proper order. It leads to spend more time to find your book. Suppose the librarian grouped all books according to author, subject, edition and so on, then it will very easy to pick the book which you are looking into. The group technology is similar like this. It groups all similar items and store it in a database. Now we know why all manufacturing industries are showing more interest to adopting the group technology. The first advantage and important thing is by performing similar activities by using group technology together, thereby it helps to avoid wastage time in changing from one unrelated activities to the another one. And second one is by standardizing closely related activities, thereby focusing only on distinguish difference and avoiding unnecessary duplication of efforts. And third one, by efficiently store and retrieving the information related to recurring issues, thereby reducing the search time for any information. And it helps to produce more variety of parts by using this group technology. In group technology, there is part families. The part family is a collection of parts that are similar either because of shape, size or similarity process steps are required in their manufacturing. In simple terms, the part families is a similarly grouping or called the group families. So here how we can grouping the part families. There are three general methods for solving part family grouping. All the three are time consuming and it involves the analysis of much of data by properly trained personals. In the three methods, the first method is visual inspection. In this method is the least sophisticated and least expensive method. It involves the classification of parts into families by looking at physically. And second method is part classification and coding. Similarly, the similarities among the parts are identified and these similarities are related in a coding system. And third one is production flow analysis. This method for identifying the parts, families and associated machine grouping that uses the information containing on process plans rather than on part diagrams.